Alright, hey everybody. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this Hoover beehive that I purchased from Amazon. Now I have to let you know that I am not a beekeeper currently. I don't have bees. I don't have a beehive currently. This is just a product on Amazon that I got for my bees, and it's going to be a very beginner type of unboxing and reveal. Basically, I just want to make sure that it is as it was advertised and it kind of just meets what my expectations were, and hopefully yours as well if you're considering getting a Hoover beehive. So it should be 2 brood boxes and a medium box, the top and the bottom. And so let's get into it. So I also was looking at an Amish made hive. Well, that's at least how it was advertised. But what I liked about the Hoover hive was the fact that it had a thick wax coating on it. It looked like it was almost stained. It looked very nice. And I don't like the traditional white painted hive look. So, coupon for 20% off my next purchase. I do have to say that this kit was $185. Now, one of the things that I was hesitant being a beginning beekeeper and never having a hive before was it comes disassembled. And if I buy it from a local bee shop, it's a little bit more pricey, but it was also fully assembled. So that was kind of, I didn't really want to deal with the assembly. Well, it's certainly boxed well, double boxed. But I actually got a hive from a friend, and I got to take a look at it to see kind of how it was assembled. So I'm a little bit more confident in putting this one together. Alright, let's move that off to the side. So this looks like the top. Oh yeah. And it definitely has a wax. Yeah, I could feel the wax on this thing. And you can see it. Well, I don't know if you can see it with the light, but there's white wax coating. This is supposed to be beeswax, real beeswax coating on this hive. So the top looks good. Inner cover. Oh, perfect. Excellent. And I was hoping that it was going to have the Hoover Hive logo. You can see that. Really nice looking logo. And if you see that there, that's some wax, some thick wax. Really got it on here pretty good, this wax coating. I'm just kind of wondering now if this thick wax coating is going to get in the way of fitting these together. These look like the ends of the 2 bigger boxes. Yep, look at that. Almost looks like it's stained. But you can see the wax all over this, and it's pretty good. It looks really nice. It's packaged well. 2, 3, 4 sides. There's two sides for the medium. 2 ends for the medium. These must be to put the frames together. I don't know how that goes. A little bit nervous now about putting those frames together. I think this is probably going to be the bottom. More stuff for the frames. So this was an 8-frame Langstroth hive, so there should be 16 foundation frames in here. So it looks like they got black backing for the deep boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 packages of 8. And it's got this yellow frame for the medium box. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. You can probably see the yellow better, but they have the honeycomb pattern in there for the bees to give them kind of like a template. Not that they need one. More stuff for to build the wood frames. I thought that the wood frames, these things are not coated with wax, just so you know. So the frame foundations are, the box itself, the interior and the exterior is covered, but nothing to do with the construction of the frames is. So it also comes with nails. Looks like the smaller ones to put the frames together, and larger ones to put the box together, the beehive. Alright. And you get some visual instructions, if you can see that, front and back, with a list of what it comes with, what the kit comes with. And then I believe it also comes with a queen excluder. And that is it. The box is empty. That's everything in the box. And it looks like everything is together. I will double check and make sure when I end this video. But all in all, it definitely meets my expectations. I love the look of the hive. I love this like natural stained look, and it's going to be protected with all this wax coating on here from the weather. I won't have to use any chemicals to stain it or seal it right away, and I don't have to paint it white, that commercial looking style white beehive, which I just am not a fan of. Alright, well that concludes this unboxing of the Hoover hive, and I will do a follow-up when I put these together to let you know how it goes together, how difficult it was or easy it was for a beginner. So if you're a new beekeeper, you're considering the Hoover hive, you want to purchase it off Amazon, it came as expected, as advertised. It's very nice, and stay tuned for a follow-up on the construction of this hive. All right, thanks for watching.